This is Wilderwire. It took Mark a full year to build the access route up the 500-metre waterfall. It's even safe enough for Deetz to give it a go.
There's too many things that Deetz is doing right now.
3. Stop ratting me!
Not too bad, eh? We're only giving you 4 at a time because most Aussies can't count past 5, so...
Can I take a moment to reiterate? 500 metres on a steel ladder climbing straight up a waterfall.
Deetz, I reckon you'd die if you fell off into the creek here.
Benny,
And we're right on the first sector.
sort of talk. Cut that out. Cut that.
yeah. At least we're on the last ep, so we've got the show done.
Yeah, that's right. This is the last
Yeah, for you guys who want to go on back.
At the end of the season is we're dead.
This is great!
Good night.
No, don't do that. Have you done much actual rock climbing?
No, I'm scared of heights.
Oh. No, I'm actually terrified.
Do you get where I'm coming from?
Nice work, mate. Okay, DK. Now, happy hands. Hands off. Hands off. Wave them in the air.
Holy shit, that actually works, Mark. I'm freaking out now.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, whoa!